Hey, Jonathan here with CentralSound. Here we have a Corsair HS50 gaming headset. I got a few different types of ear pads I want to go over with you guys. We got our cooling gel ear pads, our protein leather ear pads, and our hybrid ear pads, which are a velour and protein leather type of material. And as you can see, the back just has these flaps here, so I will show you how to install these premium ear pads. And then we also have our upgraded kind of the OEM style standard version. It does have the plastic clip already installed in there. So here we have the cooling gel ear pads, which have a cooling gel layer at the top there. You can see that. It also has cooling gel infused memory foam and also ice cloth, which is a type of wicking material that comes in contact with your skin on your ears. So definitely provides a cooling sensation. This is the kind of the thickness compared to the original ear pads that are on the gaming headset. And here we have the protein leather type. It also has some vent holes in the middle there, you can see. And these are also premium memory foam. You can see that it has a pretty decent bounce back, pretty slow bounce back. So it is definitely good quality, dense, premium memory foam, provides good comfort, fit, and seal. And we also have the velour hybrid model here. So this has the velour type of material that comes in contact with the skin. It's got the vent holes in the middle. This one has also got very good bounce back too, so it's pretty slow. Definitely high quality, dense memory foam on the hybrid model right here. So this is actually one of the ones that I use personally and provides a good fit and seal. So as you can see, compared to the original, there's definitely a pretty big difference in thickness and comfort, it looks like. So here we have the standard OEM style type of ear pad, but it is also thicker and has upgraded memory foam inside. As you can see here, it has a pretty good medium bounce back, and these are our own CentralSound branded ones. It also has the plastic ring already installed on the back, so it makes installation fairly simple as compared to the other ones. The other ones take a little more effort, but they are definitely make a huge difference. So as you can see, the comparison in thickness, definitely a big difference in quality and comfort as well. So here I have a tool here. It's kind of a little bit of a pry tool, and I'm going to use this to remove the original ear pads off here. And you just pry it up there, and there's little clips that hold these on. So you just pry it up and then pull the ear pad off. This is the original ear pad. As you can see, there's a plastic ring that the ear pad is attached to. So in order to put our premium ear pads on there, you would need to remove the ear pad from that plastic ring here. So and you can see the back is definitely different. So I will show you how to install our premium ear pads on these gaming headsets. There's a little chip in that plastic ring, but that's okay. It'll still work just fine. So first you just kind of want to peel off the original ear pad off that plastic ring. It comes off fairly easily. It might take a few minutes there, but it is fairly simple. So as you can see, here's the original foam inside the original ear pads. Has no bounce back really whatsoever, or a super fast bounce back. And I just want to compare these really quickly to our cooling gel ear pads when it comes to the size and quality of the foam inside. So look at it. There's just this little dinky piece of foam inside, and definitely a huge difference. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of this ear pad off this plastic ring here. There is some adhesive and glue that attaches to the plastic ring, but that comes off fairly simple. Once you have all the ear pad material off there, you can just kind of pick at it and rub off any excess adhesive. It comes off pretty simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and clear all that away really quickly. Fast forward. And I mean, it doesn't have to be exact 100% perfect, but as long as you get a lot of the excess off there, is fine. So next you would clip this plastic ring back on the headset. So there's a small groove on this plastic piece here. You want to make sure that you line it up directly on the bottom. There are little markers on the housing of the ear cup that you'll be able to see. Just make sure they align together just like that. And then you can apply some pressure and snap the plastic ring onto the ear cup. So just work your way all the way around, make sure it snaps into place. It might take a couple attempts to line it up properly, but that's okay. Just take your time with it, and just work your way all the way around. Make sure they all snap in, and once they are snapped in, then you can install the ear pads. So here I have the cooling gel ear pad I'm going to install here. So I'm going to start at the bottom. Just line the seam up with that little groove there on the plastic piece, and then just pull the back flap over, and then you want to tuck it into that little crevice in between that plastic ring that you installed and the ear cup. So you just kind of work your way all the way around. I've seen other methods where people would install them onto the plastic ring before they put it on the headset. It's a little more difficult to do it that way because there's excess material that gets in the way, so this is a lot easier to apply. Install the ring first, then put the ear pad on. So as you can see, it's already installed, and the difference between the original and our cooling gel ones, as you can see, there is a pretty big difference. The thickness is definitely different, the quality is definitely different. So these are awesome ear pads if you want to upgrade your gaming headset and experience, or if you just want to replace them and you want to get something a little nicer. These are definitely cool to the touch. When you put these cooling gel ear pads on, you feel the coolness immediately. So we have the cooling gel ones on the left here and our hybrid ones on the right, and then we also have the protein leather type here, and then these are all memory foam inside, good quality memory foam. And then also we have the standard OEM style, which is still a good upgrade from the original, and those just clip right in just like the originals do. So fairly simple to install those ones. And there you have it, folks. Hopefully you've learned something, and if you want to buy these ear pads, you can buy them from us at CentralSound.co.